This is a tool height sensor. With it, you no longer need to set the point 0 manually. In this video, we will show you how to set it up. Welcome to Wattsan Technical. Here, Wattsan engineers share their knowledge to make it easier for you to work with CNC machines. Subscribe and join our community. Let's get started. Work principle. The tool height sensor is used for automatic calibration of tool length and measurements of workpiece thickness on a CNC machine. This thing is extremely useful if you frequently switch material types or have an ATC system. As on the 1325 M3 model, on Wattsan machines, the sensor looks like a large button with a wire. The area that interacts with the tool bits is this protruding cylinder, which is spring-loaded. The sensor works based on circuit closure. The first part is the sensor itself, and the second part can be either the spindle or the tool, depending on your choice. When the measurement is initiated, the Z-axis will lower until it touches the sensor. Then, the controller registers the height of the lift, material, and sensor. For example, if the sensor, which is 50 mm tall, is touched at coordinates 150, the machine will understand that the material height is 100 mm. Convenient and quick. By the way, our engineers added a handy pocket on the machine so you can store the sensor safely after use. Setting menu. Let's enter the menu and find machine setup in it. There, you have to open the Toolset Setup tab. You will see 4 sections. Position. Here, you should see an in PLC being written. It means that the tool sensor has no static position and is going to be placed directly in the working zone. Thickness. Second window, in which the sensor's height is being indicated. The first thing you have to do is take a caliper and measure the tool sensor. Then, write down the numbers. As you can see, we have got a 40.4 mm, rounding off. Pickup. The third tab is where we should specify the bomb's height. This is the distance that a spindle with an instrument will rise after hitting the sensor. Speed. Here we write down the tool measurement speed. Setting process. Let's try this out. Place the tool height sensor on the working table and press the combination of buttons on-off plus menu to begin the process. Done. Now let's check. We need to switch to the slow mode and start lowering the instrument to material until we reach point 0. Then examine whether there is touching or not. If there is none, we need to perform steps of 0.1 mm until the instrument reaches the workpiece and starts scratching it a little. We found that we needed to add another 0.4 mm. Go to Machine Setup, then Toolset Setup, and adjust the sensor height by adding this value to the current one. Instead of 14.4, we entered 14.8. Confirm the change and repeat the calibration. If everything was done correctly, the tool should touch the material at the point 0 after measurement. That's it! Your tool height sensor is and ready to work. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and our engineers will help. Or contact us via email. Check out other videos on the topic in our playlist. CNC Router Guide. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials. This is Wattsan Technical. See you next time.